Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Frugal living, inspired by none other than the legendary investor, Warren Buffett. If you want to learn how to live a financially responsible life while still enjoying the finer things, then you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is known for his incredible investing prowess and vast wealth. But what many don't know is that he's also a champion of frugal living. Yes, you heard it right. Despite his billions, Buffett chooses to live a simple and humble life. Today, we'll explore his frugal habits and how they can benefit us all. Before we delve into the specifics, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join our amazing community. And now, let's uncover Warren Buffett's secrets to frugal living. Point 1. Delayed gratification. Warren Buffett believes in delayed gratification. He doesn't spend on unnecessary luxuries impulsively. Instead, he waits for the right moment and focuses on long-term goals. This approach not only helps in saving money but also cultivates discipline and patience. Point 2. Modest housing. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Warren Buffett still lives in the same simple house he purchased decades ago. He believes in living comfortably but not lavishly. By opting for modest housing, he can allocate more resources to investments that grow his wealth further. Point 3. Mindful spending. Buffett practices mindful spending. He is cautious with his money, avoiding unnecessary expenses. It's not about being cheap, it's about being wise. Before making a purchase, he evaluates its true value and utility, making sure it aligns with his long-term financial goals. Warren Buffett's frugal living habits have not only contributed to his success but also made him a role model for millions worldwide. Now, let's see how we can apply his principles to our daily lives. Point 4. Budgeting and saving. Creating a budget is essential for frugal living. Identify your income and allocate specific amounts for necessities, savings, and investments. Follow the budget diligently to avoid unnecessary expenses and increase your savings. Point 5. Cut down on unnecessary subscriptions. Take a look at your subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, magazine subscriptions. Are you really using all of them? Trim down the ones you rarely use and redirect that money towards savings or investments. Point 6. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive. Follow Warren Buffett's example and cook more meals at home. Not only will it save you money, but it's also a fun way to experiment with new recipes and spend quality time with family and friends. Remember, frugal living doesn't mean living a deprived life. It's about making smart choices to achieve financial freedom and security. That's a wrap for today's video on frugal living inspired by Warren Buffett. We hope you enjoyed it and found some valuable insights to incorporate into your life. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Also, share your thoughts and frugal tips in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start living frugally and building your wealth. See you in the next video. Happy saving! End screen.